In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund in Canva. 5 minutes. Let's walk through the exact path inside Canva so you know where to click, what to look for, and how to submit the request properly the first time. Start by logging into Canva on your computer. Once you're in your account, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. This opens a menu with account options and support tools. From that menu, choose Help and Resources. This is your gateway to Canva's support experience. Next, open Help Assistant. This is the built-in support chat that can guide you to the right place. If it loads, great, use it to navigate forward. If it's not immediately helpful, we're going to the full knowledge base next. Click Help Center to open Canva's library of support articles. Inside the Help Center, go to the category labeled Payments, Pricing, and Billing. This section collects all topics related to charges, subscriptions, and refunds, so you're in the right place. In that section, use the search bar and type refund. You'll see articles that explain eligibility and the process. Open one of the refund related articles, then look for the link that says Contact Us and click it. That link takes you to the form you need. On the contact page, select the option to request a refund for your plan. This ensures your request is routed correctly and reviewed under the right policy. Now fill out the form with the details Canva needs. Include the email connected to your account, the plan or product you were charged for, the date or invoice of the charge, and a brief reason for your request, like an accidental renewal or a duplicate charge. Be clear and concise. If you have an invoice or receipt, reference it in your description, and you can attach relevant screenshots if the form allows. Do not include sensitive information like passwords or full payment details. Submit the form and keep an eye on your email. Canva's team will reply to the address associated with your account. Response times can vary, so give it a little time and remember to check your spam or junk folder as well. If they ask for more information, reply within the same email thread so everything stays organized. Once approved, refunds can take several business days to appear on your statement, depending on your bank or payment provider. That's it. Log in, open your profile menu, go to Help and Resources, use Help Assistant, open the Help Center, select Payments, Pricing and Billing, search Refund, click Contact Us, choose the Refund for Plan option, provide the required details, submit, and watch your inbox for the follow-up.